In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make YouTube banner, the cover photo for your YouTube channel. Open the Canva app and type in search bar YouTube banner, and you will find the option. Here you can see so many design already made for YouTube banners. You can choose one of your choice and then you can edit that with ease like this. After choosing, you can add the text like I'm using how to life, and you can choose, you can zoom in for better visibility, and then you can write any jargon you want for your channel. Click on done, and then you can zoom out and change the picture as well if you want. You can delete this image, and by clicking on plus button you can add any picture for your channel. You can add elements, you can add animations, characters already available in Canva app, or you can choose any image of your choice from your gallery. Just select the image, add to Canva app, and then resize it according to the circle, and then you can move the circle. So here the image is ready. You can also change these images already in this image. You can drag simply with the tap of your finger, and then you can change the background color as well. You can choose the color for background and colors for this design. You can see so many color options. Choose any color you want, just click on that and it will be added. And if you want to change the background color, simply change it. Just tap on the color and the background color will be changed like this. You can make it red, white, black, any color you want. You can put on animations on the text. If you don't want that, just undo this, and then again you can download it not as GIF but as JPG. Simply click on download. Don't change any setting. Now it's downloading and it will be saved in your camera roll. You can go back, check your camera roll photos, and there you can see the image is ready. Thank you.